Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. What a great gift we have for Valentine's Day. It's raining. I don't know if you can see it in the background here. The ground's all wet and the tank's filling up. That's awesome. We haven't had any really good rain for a very, very long time and everything's really dry. So we're all very excited about that. This is Talisha. She is a hen that I picked up and she's my favourite hen and she decided to be really friendly today, so I thought she'd get her head on camera, trying to upstage me. Just a few things. First of all, in regards to my rehab, I am going to take some dressage lessons. For those of you who don't know a lot about dressage, and I certainly don't, it's going to teach me a lot about my posture, about my technique, and it's going to teach me how to learn to ride all over again. I never really had any good technique to start off with, but you know, this is going to really teach me about all my muscle groups and, you know, what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. So I'm really looking forward to that, and that will give me something to film so you guys will be able to see that as well. The other exciting news is I've partnered up with Fullscreen, who look after a lot of YouTubers, and I'm very, very excited to be part of that family. You know, at the ripe old age of 42, I'm trying to mix it up with the kids and, you know, do this whole YouTube thing. And you guys have been so supportive. You've been tweeting out my videos, you've been promoting my channel, and I love you all for that. So thank you so much. Keep it up. With the help of Fullscreen, I've got a lot of new tools on how to make my channel better and, you know, just do things so it's more entertaining for you. So if you have any ideas or anything you want to see on my channel, please let me know in the comments below, and we'll certainly take that on board. Like I said, I'm new to this and I'm doing what I can so far, but learning a whole lot, so it's a lot of fun. I just want to give a really quick shout out to my husband. Happy Valentine's Day to you, Shannon. Shannon is my rock. I love him so much. He has been so supportive through everything, through my whole surgery, through all the doctor's appointments, through, you know, the trips to Sydney, through, you know, everything. He's been there, and he's the best husband that you could ask for. So happy Valentine's Day, honey. Love you so much. So that's about it for today. It's just a really quick vlog just to keep you in the loop. Unfortunately, my phone camera has had to be sent away under warranty because the touchscreen's not working anymore. So I'm just using, you know, other cameras that we have in the house here. This is Brandon's, so hopefully I'll get mine back soon and we can do some really good videos. Yeah, so happy Valentine's Day to you all. I hope you all get spoiled rotten and you have a wonderful day. Love you all. Thank you for the support, and we'll see you later. So bye, Talisha.